Hey everyone, today I will show you how to buy a Binance gift card with PayPal. First of all, head over to a trusted peer-to-peer platform like Paxful or Bitterfield, where you can buy gift cards or crypto with PayPal. Create an account on the platform and complete the identity verification process to get started. In the marketplace, search for a Binance gift card for purchase Bitcoin with PayPal, which you can later to Binance and convert to a gift card. So click buy crypto, choose a trusted seller, select PayPal as your payment method and complete the transaction securely. Once the payment is confirmed, you will receive your Binance gift card or Bitcoin which you can use directly on Binance. And that's it. By using a third-party platform, you have successfully bought a Binance gift card using PayPal. Thanks for watching.